Okay, so for homework tonight, we are working on rectangles that have the same area, but a different perimeter. So I'm going to work on number 5 here, and first I have to figure out the length and width of my sides. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to have 10 on this side. So if I have 10 on this side, I'm going to have 10 on this side because opposite sides are equal. Okay, and so now I know that there's 10 total going across. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left over, I'm supposed to have 10. 10 minus 6 would be 4. So I have 4 here, and I have 4 here. Okay, so now I have to find the area of shape 1. In area, we do length times width, and so I always tell the kids the length is your up and down side. Okay, so you have to have your up and down one first, so I'll have 10 times my across one, which is going to be 4, because that's across, so 10 times 4, and that's going to equal 40. Okay, and we call that A1 because it's the area of our first shape. Then we have to find the perimeter of shape 1. And so they can either do 10 plus 10 plus 4 plus 4. And I like to encourage that because I like to keep my doubles together. Or you can do 4 plus 10 plus 4 plus 10. Order does not matter with perimeter, but it does matter with area. So I'm going to keep my doubles together. So I'm going to have 10 plus 10 plus 4 plus 4. And 10 and 10 is 20. 4 and 4 is 8. And 20 and 8 is 28. So then I have to find the area of shape 2. So I need to think about numbers that I can use that can give me an area of 40 that is not 10 and 4. And so I always tell the kids if it ends in a 0, you can use 2, 5, and 10. Okay? But you have to be careful because there's only 10 squares going up and down and 10 squares going across. So your number can't be bigger than 10. But I know that 5 times 8 equals 40. So 5, that's my first one, so that's going to be my up and down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then by 8 across. So you count this one again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I tell the kids I just draw my outline here. So then I have my shape. And then just write in 5, 5, 8, 8. There. And then I need to find the perimeter of that shape. And I like to keep my doubles together. So I'm going to do 5 plus 5 plus 8 plus 8. 5 and 5 is 10. 8 and 8 is 16. So 10 and 16, 10 and 16 is going to be 26. And I'm done. So what they need to have on their assignment tonight is they need to have the area for shape 1, the perimeter for shape 1, the area for shape 2, the perimeter for shape 2. They need to have their shape drawn, and they need to label their sides. So that is the expectation for homework tonight.